Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Our recipe for today is Gambas Pasta. It's an oil-based pasta that is so delicious and so easy to make. A good recipe if you want something different aside from your usual carbonara and spaghetti. First is to mix the spices in a clean bowl. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of paprika, 3 teaspoons of hot sauce, 8 teaspoons of Knorr seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it all and we're done in prepping the spices. Next is to peel and devein the shrimp. Peel the shrimp, remove its head, and devein the shrimp. Next is to cook the pasta following the package instruction. Best to use short pasta like fusilli, penne, or elbow macaroni. Heat the casserole in the pan. Best is to use a bigger one as we will combine the pasta with the sauce later. Once heated, add 1 cup of olive oil. Add 1 bulb of crushed garlic. When the garlic is golden brown, add the chopped mushroom. Add half cup of white wine. After 2 minutes, add the shrimp. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. We can now add the premix. Let it simmer until the shrimp is cooked. Look at that! This smells good and looks so delicious. Add 3/4 cup of parmesan cheese. Mix it and we're almost good to go. And finally, add the pasta. For this, I use fusilli. Mix it well, scrape from the bottom. Make sure that you really mixed it well. We don't want an even taste pasta. Look at that pasta. It's so bouncy. Also, remember not to overcrowd your casserole. This is a regular meal in our house, but I'm still excited to taste this one. Serve and garnish with parmesan cheese. And the taste, ooh la la! This is so good, as in, and so amazing. This is a perfect meal for shrimp lovers. I hope that you will recreate this recipe at your home. Before you go, if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe. Also, hit the notification button below so you won't miss my updates. I will be posting a new video every week. Thank you for watching!